Hey y'all, it's me, Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant. How to get cleaning clients fast. Are you struggling to get commercial cleaning clients fast? Maybe you've been tried cold calling, running ads, or passing out flyers, but it seems like nothing is working. Well, today I'm going to show you a completely new approach that helps you land clients fast without wasting time or money or outdated tactics. If you're ready to stop chasing leads and start booking contracts, stick with me until the end because I'm breaking down a simple but powerful client acquisition strategy that I use in my business and it works. Let's get started. The right kind of outreach. Cold calling is dead unless you do this instead. Most cleaning businesses cold call without a strategy. They call and say, "Hi, do you need a cleaner?" Wrong. Instead, try this. Leverage direct B2B networking. That's business to business networking. Focus on the decision makers, property managers, facility directors, office managers. Don't pitch right away. Ask insight questions about their pain points. For example, what's been your biggest challenge with cleaning services in the past? Make it about them, not you. Businesses don't care about your pricing yet. They care about solving their problem. And that's so true because you sound salesy, you kind of chase them away. Shift from salesy tone to a helpful. Change the salesy tone into a consultant approach. We specialize in helping businesses save money and improve their building's cleanliness. What's one thing you like to improve with your current service? And that's true. Like I tell people all the time, like they'll be cleaning and they'll use the client's paper towels and stuff like that. Or I've this was years ago. This don't happen now, but they would take off the toilet paper too soon, have a whole roll so they could take it home. So when you do stuff like that, you cost the client more money because they have to buy more supplies because you're using them and you're not using them in the right way. And you got to really watch your team with that too because they'll be taking the client's toilet paper off too soon so they can take it home. So try to save your client. The more money you save them, the longer they keep you. So the secret sauce, I'm sorry. The secret sauce is the power of introduction. Don't just cold call. Get an introduction from a mutual connection. For example, "Hey John at XYZ Property Management mentioned you might be looking for a reliable cleaning service. I'd love to chat for 5 minutes to see if we're a good fit." This immediately builds trust and gets you past the gatekeepers. Stand out with a value first offer. Stop saying we offer free estimates. Start saying let us prove our quality with a free mini service. Why this works? Most cleaning businesses only offer a quote. This doesn't build trust. A mini cleaning demo allows them to see your quality before they commit. For example, "We'll clean your conference room for free. No strings attached. If you love it, we'd love to handle the rest of your space." How to pitch this? Instead of just giving you a price, how about we show you what we can do? Let's schedule a free cleaning of your lobby or your conference room. No commitment, just results. This low risk offer makes it easy for businesses to say yes without hesitation. The power of local partnerships. One steady leads, work with people who already have your ideal clients. Who to partner with? Real estate agents. They help businesses move into new offices and need cleaners. You could go with property managers. Construction companies. Every remodel or new build needs post-construction cleaning. Property management. They manage multiple buildings and always need cleaning services. They always need cleaning services. So there's different ways to build relationships. So here's how to structure your offer. I love to refer clients to you, and in return, if you come across a business looking for cleaning services, would you be open to recommending us? Offer a referral bonus, $50 or 10% of the first month's service. And why this works? You're not cold selling. You're partnering with trusted sources. Businesses are more likely to trust referrals from someone they already work with than from an ad or something. Pro tip, or here's a bonus tip. Join local networking groups or chamber of commerce. Meet decision makers directly. And I'm a member of the African American chambers, and I meet a lot of nice businesses. I mean, I haven't gotten work from it yet, but I've had a lot of opportunities to meet people, and then you could use social proof and testimonials. People trust what others say about you more than what you can say about yourself. Put some before and after photos, post them on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google My Business. Get video testimonials. Ask happy clients to a 15-second review, a 15-second review on their phone. Google review strategy. Send a simple email asking, if you've been happy with our service, would you mind leaving us a quick Google review? It helps small businesses like ours grow. That's how my Google page grew. I would ask people, I couldn't ask the commercial clients, but I could ask the private clients to give me a review. And here's a pro tip. Offer an incentive, like a small discount for clients who refer you and leave a review. How to start now? Let's recap. Network the right way. Get in introductions, not just cold calls. Stand out with a free mini service instead of just an estimate. Build local partnerships for steady leads. Use testimonials and reviews to attract more clients. Now, I want to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge in getting new cleaning clients? Drop a comment below. I reply to every question. And if you found this valuable, smash the like button and subscribe for more expert tips on growing your commercial cleaning business. And here's my final thoughts. This new approach focuses on trust, relationships, and value first selling, which speeds up the process of landing contracts. And that's what you building relationships is the key. Like, you have to build those relationships, and you got to find the long-term relationships, other businesses who want to see you win. So until next time, go out there and get those clients fast. Again, my links are in the description. If you want to get the Cleaning Guru app link, my app's a 45-day free trial. My ebook is on there and my website. So until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later.